How to choose a good calcium supplement product? Don't have any idea? Take a look here. If you want to supplement calcium efficiently, besides diet, it is necessary to take calcium supplement products. But there are so many choices on the market. How to choose a good one? Number 1. Raw material. It must be taken from natural animal resources. The calcium content in bone calcium is high and similar to that of human body, which is easy to digest and absorb. Number 2. Processing method. The modern biological enzymalysis technology is the first choice. The absorption rate of bone calcium after processing is higher, and it does not cause any irritation to the intestines and stomach. Number 3. Ingredients. The ratio of calcium to phosphorus in the product must be close to or equal to 2:1, and a variety of nutrients must be added so as to meet international standards. Number 4. Form of calcium. It cannot be macromolecular calcium and ionic calcium, but must be complex calcium so as to ensure the absorption rate of calcium. Number 5. Dosage form. The first choice is powdered calcium, which has a higher absorption rate and is safer and more convenient to eat. Number 6. Product line. A complete range of calcium products can meet the need of the whole family members for calcium supplementation, which is more reliable and professional.